ladies, welcome back to another Tip Tuesday. Today I'll be showing you how I get these beautiful, bouncy, voluminous curls in under 10 minutes. Yes, it's super easy. If you want to see how I got these curls, then continue to watch. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and detangle your hair. Today I'm using our Favorite Wavy Brush. Next, you want to put your hair in a high ponytail, and ladies, make sure that ponytail is tight and secured. So ladies, this ponytail does not have to be perfect, just make sure it is high and tight. Using my Numi wand, I'm going to start curling small sections of my hair back. Okay, so I've curled my ponytail, and this is what it's looking like. Now I'm just gonna add some Proclaim glossing polish to add more shine and eliminate some of that frizz. And a little goes a long way, you guys. And now it's time for the reveal. You're just gonna let down your hair and reveal those curls. Now this step is optional, but personally I like to brush my curls out using our Favorite Wavy Brush, just so that the hair looks bigger and more voluminous. Well, that is all for today, ladies. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's Tip Tuesday. Be sure to come back next week for another tip. Bye.